You guys are sick of hearing about New Year's resolutions. That's perfect because today is actually going to be talking about goals, kind of like resolutions, and intentions, which is slightly different. I, like Jessica, think that goals are something that are the action plan that you need to really strive for. And the intention is the overall goal that you're trying to achieve. For example, my intention this year is to really set up my coaching and mentoring business. Yes, that's right. I've been talking about it for the past 2 years, and I need to hanker down and actually do it. So that's my intention. However, the goals are going to be many different things, and I need to hit a lot of goals, a lot of action steps to achieve my intention, which is opening a business and creating a business for myself. These examples are being really consistent, reaching out to people, following up, ensuring that people are understanding and appreciating the content that I'm giving, understanding what shifts they really need in their life. Those are a few examples of my goals. Before I throw it to Jessica, I want to ask you, what are your goals and what is your intention for 2018? If you'd like to share it, please comment below and I would love to chat with you.
Being that it is the new year, we are obviously thinking about resolutions, New Year's resolutions. But Janelle and I are here to say resolutions are a thing of the past, and instead we're going to be talking about goals. But even further than goals, we're also going to be talking about intentions. So what is the difference? Intentions are really more your overarching theme for the year, and they also root you in the present. They root you in the process of achieving your goals, and you can use goals to support your intention. That way, every single food that you eat or action that you take is going to be rooted in your intention. Now, your goals are a little more future driven and take you out of the present, but it still is important to have goals so that you can really fulfill your intention, because that is generally a feeling that you want to feel. So let's use an example. If we choose the intention of, say, growth, so that way every single action that you take, every single goal that you make is going to be in support of growth. You can ask yourself, does this support growth for myself or not? So when we look at our goals, we want to really make them clear. Otherwise, we have no way of knowing if we are making progress, if we are fulfilling that intention. So we're going to make some SMART goals and make them really clear. If one of our goals is to eat more vegetables, that is a great start, but we really want to give it some parameters. So maybe you say, I'm going to have 1 green smoothie per day, or something that's more achievable to you, like 3 green smoothies per week. Or maybe your goal is to make more meals with vegetables, or make more plant-based meals, and you can at home rather than takeout, and you can set a number on that. That way, when you look back on your week, you can clearly decide or clearly see, for yourself if you fulfilled that goal. And your goals are going to support your intention.